morning, students of class 1. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3. This chapter will be in the half yearly exam. So everyone get ready with the book. Page number 24 we are starting today. Take a pencil in your hand, write today's date on the top. Let us start the chapter. Okay, chapter 3, parts of a computer. In this chapter we are going to learn about the list of the different parts of the computer, and we will describe each of these parts. What is the use, what is the working, this we will do. Before starting the chapter we will do this. Get going. We will take the different parts of our body. That means the parts that belong to our body, that we will take. Let us see. First one, yes, this is the part of our body. Next, no, this is a tail, we don't have that. Nose, yes, this is a part. This, no, this is not a part of our body. Wings, no, this is not a part of our body. Hand, yes, this is a part of our body. Mouth, no, yes, this is a part of our body. Beak, no, this is not a part of our body. So, leg, nose, hand and mouth are the parts of our body. Now, let us start explanation of the chapter. We all know that the computer is a smart machine, and every machine is made up of different parts. In this chapter, we are going to learn the different parts of a computer. The four main parts of a computer are monitor, this one, CPU box, this one, keyboard, this one, and mouse, this one. So these four are the main parts of the computer system, that is monitor, CPU box, keyboard and mouse. Monitor. A monitor shows the work we are doing. Suppose we are drawing something on the computer or we are playing any games on the computer, we can see those things on the monitor screen. Monitor screen looks like a television or TV. Monitor is also called a VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. The full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. We can call a monitor as VDU also. Monitors are of two types. One has a flat screen and the other looks like a box. So, the monitor are of two types. First is look like a flat screen and the next one is like a big box. Next, CPU cabinet. Next, CPU cabinet. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. It controls all the parts of the computer. All the other parts like the keyboard, mouse and all are controlled by the CPU. It is placed inside the CPU box. This is the CPU box and this is the CPU. This one is placed inside this one. This box is also called the CPU cabinet. CPU box is also called a CPU cabinet. Please turn the page. Next part is keyboard. A keyboard is used to write on a computer. That means writing on the computer using a keyboard is called typing. You have to remember the definition of typing. Using the keyboard we can write on the computer, and the process of writing on the computer using a keyboard is called typing. This is a keyboard. You can find different letters, numbers, different symbols. By pressing the each key over here on the keyboard, the typing is done on the computer and you can see whatever you are typing using the keyboard on the monitor screen. The QWERTY keyboard was created by Christopher Solus in 1868. The keyboard that we are using today, it is called the QWERTY keyboard and it was created by Christopher Solus in the year 1868. Next, mouse. This is called the mouse, computer mouse. And everyone has seen this mouse at your home. This is the normal mouse. The concept of both the things are same. See, it looks like also it has a tail, and this is the mouse. This is called a computer mouse. Now, it is different from our house mouse. This computer mouse is different from our house mouse. It looks same, but it works different. Using the computer mouse, we can point at things on the monitor. It is also used to draw pictures. It is attached to the CPU box with a wire. Using this black wire, it is attached to the CPU box. It has 3 or 2 buttons on it. On this mouse, we have usually 2 or 3 buttons. Using that, we work on the computer. Now, the computer mouse is used to point. On the monitor screen, we can point on the different icons, different pictures, or play games using the computer mouse. We can draw pictures on the computer screen using this computer mouse. And using this black wire, the computer mouse is attached to the CPU box, and 2 or 3 buttons are there on the mouse to work with it. Okay, so we will finish the explanation over here. Today I have explained the 4 main parts of the computer, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU box. Next part will be explained in the next class. So, in today's classwork, I have explained page number 24, 25 and 26 till mouse, and you will read these 3 pages at home, and next class we will continue the chapter again. Bye bye.